Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the most amazing sweet potato cornbread recipe. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so the first thing I did was preheat my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and roast my sweet potatoes for about an hour and 10 minutes or so. Once they were tender, I then removed the skin and just mashed them. Here for the rest of the ingredients, I have some yellow cornmeal, some flour, granulated sugar, some light brown sugar. I have some oil and butter mixed. My mashed sweet potatoes, I'll be using some sour cream, salt, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, some whole milk, and some eggs. Next, what I did was combine all of my dry ingredients, the cornmeal flour, spices, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Mix that well and set aside. Next, I combine all of my wet ingredients except the mashed sweet potatoes and the sour cream. You want to mix that well to combine and set aside. So at this point, you want to combine the wet and dry ingredients, gently fold it in, and once everything is well combined, the last thing we will add is our sweet potato and the sour cream. Here I have greased a 9x9 baking dish and I just transfer my batter into the dish and we will place this in a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. Once you stick a toothpick or a skewer in the middle and it comes out clean, your cornbread is all done. While the cornbread is in the oven, let's prepare the honey butter for the top. So we will add some cinnamon, a little honey, and we will mix that really well to combine. And we will pour this over top of our cornbread once it gets out of the oven. So here's the cornbread. Once it gets out of the oven, it smells so amazing. You want to go right away while it's hot and pour that honey butter over top. You want to allow this to cool down before you dig into it. If you dig in right now, it will just fall apart. So allow it to cool a little and then I'll show you guys what it looks like on the inside. And here you have it, the most delicious, moist, and flavorful sweet potato cornbread. This is perfect for Thanksgiving. Once you make this, your family will be begging for the recipe. You hear me? When I tell you this was so mouth-watering, it was melting in my mouth. And I ate it like it was a dessert. I did not pair it with anything else. So give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support and as always, enjoy.